Welcome back to the channel, everyone. What we have here is something I haven't seen before, really. So seems I thought it was just a PC, but funny enough it was really heavy, and it has some hard drives in here, 1 terabyte hard drives. Now I don't know if this works, not sure the state of it, but we're gonna have a look inside and see what we have. So today's gonna be just basically a bit of a scrap session. I've got the 3, 4, 5 computers that I want to scrap out, see what's in them, what valuables, and I just received these this morning from a local scrapper. These are the compressors of fridges. They're actually paying really good money at the moment here, so if you have them, take them to the scrapyard, guys. But back to this PC. What is in here? Let's have a look. Some sort of a server PC by the looks of it. This actually could be still good. Now, just thinking, do I scrap it out or do I just leave it? Because it might be good, you know. So it has some RAM, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 RAMs, and 1 CPU, which is all intact. Now that I've opened it up and it actually looks quite good, I'm hesitant to actually scrap this. Possibly there's more value selling it, I'm thinking. Let's have a look at the hard drives there. Yes, the hard drives there. There's my little scrapper. Okay, so the hard drives, not sure if you can see, but there are holes in them, so someone's actually destroyed them. We can scrap them out, which is not a problem. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. But this board, this setup, maybe I'll just keep this on the side, because you never know, maybe there's a bit more value in it, selling it as a complete. I didn't think it was going to be such a good, in such good nick, you know. So we'll leave that one there for now. Let's pick one of these other ones. Okay, so this one I just found as is. Okay. Oh, look at that. Copper. I have quite a few of them. We'll press that out. There's a bit of money there. And there's a CPU in here. What sort of CPU? We'll have a look in a sec. Alright. Motherboards, I just leave them as they are. I will remove this metal. That's about it, really, for that one. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne, as you can see. Okay. Now, some of these PCs, not sure if you can see, but they do have these brass bits. So what you want to do, you want to remove them actually, because it all adds up in the end. Alright. These are different type of Right, I'll get my other screwdriver and I'll try and get that off. But in the meantime, what you want to do, any bit of cable, take it all, because it all adds up. Look at that. Okay, just get another tool. Okay, so we've got a screwdriver to remove that. This is just a aluminium one. Still quite a bit of weight in them, as you can see. Quite chunky. This will all go into low grade. Keep these aside. And this CPU is slightly different. This one here has pins in it. So that's a nice CPU. So the one that we just pulled out of that motherboard, it's actually an i5. So anything with i is generally you can get a bit of money if you sell it on eBay, or there you go, another board. Just remove this little brass fittings. We'll go on to the next one. So the next one, Intel Pentium processor. This looks like a bit of an oldie. So let's have a look what's I can't remember last time I had one of these. Quite a bit of weight in that. Wow, look at that. This is a black fiber. Look at that. Wow. This is in really good condition also. Pentium. One of this is worth keeping also. I'll do a bit of research and then just have a look if it's worth just keeping as is, because it looks like it's in pretty good nick. All the cards are there. Hello. Okay, let's have a look at the next computer here. Funny how things work out. I thought, oh yeah, I'm gonna scrap these, but this one here, I just had a quick look, and there's actually quite a bit of value on eBay for them. So you can fetch a couple of hundred, maybe even more. So I think we might keep that one. Alrighty, look at that. Hard drive, bonus. We'll take that out later. Asus F2A 85M. Okay. I wonder if that's any good. But for power supplies you can get 30 aluminium prices if you leave the cords on, if you watch Earways Band's channel. So what I've been doing, I've just been collecting them, and then when I go down that way I'll just take it all in, and I have a couple of bins full of them now, so they do accumulate. XM3s, 4 gig. How's that? 2 DDR3s. Ooh, there's probably possibly some money in them as well. Resale value. Okay, I wonder what sort of CPU we have here. Let's have a look. It's an AMD A8. Okay, there you go. Another. Okay, a couple of brass little things, cable. Get some of this out. I'll have to open the other side. I don't bother taking out the DVD players anymore. It's just not worth the time, really. I'm in the city, right? Why don't you want? $320 gig. They will go in our pile with the rest of the stuff. And some knobs to do that. I also keep these boxes because you can fill them up with other metals, cord plugs, things like that. You can. All right, this one here, I don't think we're gonna scrap because this is actually quite newish. Not new, but Intel Core i3. So possibly this is this has some good inspiration. Possibly resell it. Alright, let's have a look what this one has. This is an oldie as well. Alright, let's open this. Wow. Pink board. Can't say I've ever seen a pink board before. There's a first for everything, I guess. Some adapter. Okay. Thermal tape. Get this power supply out. Okay. Keep accumulating, guys. It all adds up, believe me. Two gig. It's another RAM. Let's open this up. Look at this. That's nice. Look at that colour. There you go. Another AMD. So before we put our motherboards in the bin, we will remove the batteries, because Ben or whoever you're selling your boards to, I don't think they will take it with batteries. So this is my stash at the moment. It's almost full, so it's getting there. There's a couple more. This was delivered by another scrapper. So they do build up. And alrighty, just take this brass. I'm gonna take this hard drive out. I will show you guys the stack. Okay, that one's playing hard to get. $80 gig. What do you reckon? Maybe some Bitcoin? Old Bitcoin wallet in there? You never know. Alright, I will show you my stack. As I just said before, accumulation. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is almost full. So look at that, quite a bit of money in there. So keep accumulating, guys. Very easy, simple things to pull apart computers, and fun. Okay, there is a bit of value in these pins in the boards here, but I really don't bother. Put these panels back on. So that's about it, guys. It's that simple. Pull them apart, put them aside. There's obviously value in certain things. If you can get some good quality stuff, you can resell. Some of the computers have a good resale value also. Motherboards, depending on what you get, really. I do have a couple of really good gaming computers there, which I found also. So you do find a lot of good things, and you're doing this planet a great service, saving it from the landfill. Alright guys, thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.